So I'll be showing you how to find archived Instagram posts. Simply launch your Instagram app, then tap on your profile. On your profile page, tap in the top right corner and then select activity, or rather your activity. Under your activity, you should see archived. Tap on it, and under archived, you should see all your archived posts. Now you can tap on this little menu to choose whether you want to see posts or archived stories. All stories are basically sent to the archived once the time that it's the 24 hours elapse. They're all saved to the archive by default. But then, so you can choose here and then choose whether you want to look at archived posts, which you have to archive manually, or archived live videos or live sessions. So that's basically how to find archived posts on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.